Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create personal account on eBay. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your browser, then go to signup.ebay.ph or ebay.com. So it really depends on your country, okay? And then after that, you want to click the register button on the upper part of your screen. Then once you've done that, you can see this create an account page, okay? And then here you want to choose personal account, and then you can now put your first name, surname, email, password, or you can continue with Google. So here I'm just gonna do this, then email, sorry, that's and then password, and then click register. So you need to check your email because eBay will send you a code. So I received the code, so it is 767840. So you just want to type that code here, and then as you can see, you have an account here on eBay. Now you can start shopping or buying anything that you want. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.